Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward process, transferring Ethereum, or ETH, from your Coinbase account to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just want a quick refresh, this guide will get you moving your assets safely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First off, ensure you have both a Coinbase account and a Coinbase wallet set up. If you don't, head to the app stores or websites to create them. It's free and takes just a few minutes. Now, open your Coinbase app or website and log in securely. Step 1. Navigate to the Assets or Portfolio section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies, including ETH. Tap or click on your ETH balance to proceed. Step 2. Look for the Send or Withdraw option. This is usually a button right next to your asset details. Select it to start the transfer process. Step 3. Enter the recipient address. This is the key part. Open your Coinbase Wallet app, go to your ETH wallet, and copy the address. Paste it into the field on Coinbase, and double-check it to avoid any errors. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 4. Specify the amount of ETH you want to transfer. You'll see an option to enter the exact figure, and don't forget to check for any network fees, which might vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Step 5. Review all the details on the confirmation screen. Make sure everything looks correct, then hit Confirm to send the transaction. You'll get a notification once it's processing. Finally, switch over to your Coinbase Wallet app and refresh your balance. Your ETH should appear shortly. A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication and verify addresses to keep your funds secure. There you have it, easy as that. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.